Boeing taps aerospace veteran Ortberg to replace Dave Calhoun as CEO. Kelly Ortberg, Chief Executive Officer of Rockwell Collins Inc., stands for a photograph at the company's production facility in Manchester, Iowa, U.S., on Wednesday, August 31, 2016. The business is now part of industry behemoth RTX. Boeing said in March that Calhoun would step down by year's end, part of a broader company shake-up that also included the departure of its then chairman and the replacement of its head of commercial aircraft unit. Many of the recent problems originated there, and Boeing's leaders have said will help them get a better handle on quality after years of outsourcing, a practice that outgoing CEO Calhoun said earlier this year likely went too far. One person cannot turn around a company, but Kelly should be able to cast a wider net for talent than a Boeing insider could, Bank of America aerospace analyst Ron Epstein said in a note Wednesday. Don't miss these insights from CNBC Pro.